Hello everyone. You might be thinking like it's been a long time and there is no video, but I was busy with the new kid. I have a newborn, but she's 5 months now, and then I have some stuff to do at home work, so I couldn't get the time. Maybe I was here once a week, but doing nothing major. But I've done one major thing, which is I've installed the lift. It's called Scissor Lift. I'll show you a little bit of it. It makes your life hell lot easy and save your back and your chances of staying in the garage and keeping the garage. Otherwise your back hurts, you cannot go under the car like that, like laying on the floor. So let's see the lift. So here's a lift. It's an old from a friend. It's a scissor lift. It's called a scissor lift because when it goes up, it opens like a scissor. So there are two metal plates on each side, and here's the control panel. So it's not set up exactly like not everything is done, but it works. So I'll show you a little bit. But the price, I'll tell you in a while the price and how I got it. First we can look at the lift. So let's turn this on and move it up. As you see that I don't have a lot of space in the top, but there is an option, a sensor here that I can adjust to the max height, and then I don't have to worry if I will hit the roof, because the roof is not that high. So if you look here, there is still some space, but not for that antenna in the back. But this is how it is. Like now I can, for example, if I have to work here, I can stand and work, and if I put it a little bit down, I can sit on the stool and then I can work here. Life is much easier rather than sitting on the floor and bending your back. By the way, my back hurts, that's why I'm not that much in the garage, but hopefully this lift will save my life. So this is why it's called Scissor Lift. It's an old model, it's not the latest one, but it works, and it is rusty. It was difficult to fix. So here you see there are these concrete anchor bolts, 4 on each one, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. On this one they are like really deep and big so that it's stable, and same with the other side. Those I don't know what's called, adapters or something in English, but those were leaking, so I've changed those. But this one is also leaking a very tiny little bit. Maybe I have to change them as well, but it works for now. The car goes up. About the safety, I think it has 2 big cylinders, and with this hydraulic system it's not like it will fall like all the oil will go up. Other the worst can be like, for example, if this breaks like and then that can happen, but that is like really not gonna happen, I hope. Maybe I can also add the car updates in the same vlog. So I think the rear end you have already seen in the other videos. So rear end is already done, and the wheels and brakes and everything looks beautiful. I have some updates for the front one, I think for the coilovers and some. So I will post those videos, maybe I have them a little bit. But right now I did paint. You have seen the painting video. Painted, everything is kind of renovated and new on the front. And look at the wheels. The wheels on the front are, these ones are 220 215, these ones are 215 40 18. So these are not that wide, but rear you have a lot of space, so they are like 245. 245 is the width, and the 35 is the profile. 18 is standard, like the inches in US. So 35, and on the front it's 40. It's 215 Pirelli P0 tires and coilovers. So the standard stuff that I wanted to do in this car is done. So now next, what will I do next? Next I want to do the timing belt on this one, service timing belt and lambda sensor, and then I will go for yearly inspection, and I hope this passes. If this passes, then this can be on the road, and then after that I will fix the cosmetic things. For example, I already have purchased the two front fenders for both sides, so I will paint them and put them on the car. I have to fix this rust. I hope this passes the inspection, but I don't know. What else? Uh, yeah, I have a lot of stuff that I wanted to do, like R32 bumper on the front, and then the side skits that I want to install. I have many things that I already have in, for example, this one, the metal side pillar or whatever. I already have it, so I need to weld. But I also have those plastic side skirts. In the rear, I've already done the lights, so I want to delete the wiper and maybe, yeah, these two, I want to make them black or delete everything. Remove this hitch and also maybe a bumper, R32 bumper on the back. So during these economic conditions, which are hard to pay the rent, because I don't come here very often. I come here only like maybe once or twice a week for only a couple of hours. So, and also if my back allows, then I will keep the garage and keep working on this car. And when this project car is done, then I will see what are my future projects for this garage. But let's see. So this lift, I got this from a friend for $500, and he was kind enough so that I can pay flexibly. So this was a very good deal for $500, a working lift that can lift like I think 3,000 kilos or 4,000 kilos. But this is a good lift and it's working. All the hoses are good. Two were leaking, so I fixed them. A little bit of new oil and everything works. $500, worth it. Worth not to kill your back. By the way, there is also first snowfall of the season in Sweden. So this was the update. I have a new lift and the project is going slowly but smoothly. But if I tell you I bought this car in March 2021 and in 4 months, March 2023, I will have this car for 2 years in this garage sitting, and I'm doing work very slowly because I also bought a house and I renovated the house, and then I got a kid, and then I went to Pakistan, but a lot of things. But I've decided that up till this March, this car should be on road at least, and then I will see if I want to sell it or keep it, keep the garage, then I will decide. But March, I have to make this car roadworthy. So stay tuned, there will be more frequent videos, and have a nice day. Bye.